Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do a very interesting question. This is factorial based question. So you can see here 10 factorial upon 6 factorial is equal to x factorial, and we need to find the value of x. So first of all we will split this 10 factorial till 6 factorial. So can we write this 10 factorial into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. We will stop with 6 factorial because in the denominator is the 6 factorial, so it will be cancelled out very easily. So that's why we will split the 10 factorial till 6 factorial. Now we have 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 equals to x factorial. So we'll do this question by the tricks. So do not multiply it and do not, and if you multiply these 3-4 numbers, so we will not get the value of x because here the x factorial, not x. So for this we will split these terms in the another way. So how to we split? Can we write, first of all we will write in the ascending form 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. This is the ascending order, smaller to greater. Then after that this 7 is the prime number which is odd, and we'll write as it is. And can we write this 8 2 into 4, and this 9 is 3 into 3, and this 10 is 2 into 5. Okay, now you can see we will make the group 2 into 4 and 3 into 3 and 2 into 5. These are the groups. Okay, after that this 7 is as it is. We will write these numbers in order. How to write in order? Suppose 1. If one number is multiplied with any number, we'll get the same number. So we are using here 1 because one number is because this one number, it doesn't create a problem if you multiply with any number. So we'll suppose one number is here. Then after that we will use 2. So 2 is here. So this one is then 2 is here. Then after that this 3. Okay. Then this 4. Then you can see 3 after 5. Okay. So how many numbers are remaining? These two numbers. This 3 and this 2. So you can see this 3 and 2 will make a 6. And 7 is already here. Okay. So you can see we will make the order. So can we write, if the order is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 is the 7 factorial? Because if you split the 7 factorial, you get again this 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the expand of the 7 factorial, expanded form of the 7 factorial, and right hand side is the x factorial. So after that this factorial and factorial cancel out, so x value is 7. This is our answer.